I'm Jacques van Niekerk. I'm a technical office engineer for Besix here on the Henneaulaan project. On this project we are upgrading the interchange of Henneaulaan with the ring road, and we are here on our temporary storage area. We've had several thefts on the project, which led us to implement some security solutions to prevent it from happening again.
AI software is tracking all movements on the site and creates an alarm when something is happening. And in the alarm center, our certified operators verify that alarm. When the operator sees that there's children who is playing on the site, they can just address to them via the speakers who are on the tower. If criminal activity is going on, we immediately contact the police so they can catch the thieves in action.
Based on our previous experience on other projects, we decided to use BauWatch, and we've implemented solar as well as GreenLights on the project for a year and a half now, and since then we've not had any incidents or problems anymore.
Here at the Besix site we actually used both towers. At some point we had a power supply available and used the BauWatch GreenLight, but further on in the project there wasn't power supply anymore, and then we changed to a BauWatch Solar.
My general experience with BauWatch has been very good. Even if we had problems, it was always resolved quite quickly. So I definitely recommend them